लॉगआउट बता रहा है सर, आप फिर से एक बार कर
हाँ,
लीजिए।
मैंने उसको किया है। वो एक्चुअली लास्ट जो
Good evening, sir.
Okay, again, good evening to all of you. So today we are going to start the new chapter, that is ratio and proportion. And there are two different things. First, we will learn what is the meaning of ratio, and then we will learn the meaning of proportion. Okay, so ratio is very similar to the fraction, but how it is different, that we will learn. Like as we know, if I write 5, or you can say 2 divided by 5. 2 divided by 5 means what? It means I am dividing 2 by 5. Okay. Similarly, if I write 2 upon 5, 2 upon 5, it means it is 2/5. It is 2/5 means if I have a circle and I divide it in 5 equal parts, suppose this is your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am dividing it 5 equal parts. 2 by 5 means I am considering any two parts. Okay, any two parts. So the portion which I have shaded is your 2 by 5. Now let's learn what is the meaning of 2 ratio 5. 2 ratio 5. As we know, in this meaning, in this, it means there are two terms and they are in a ratio 2 ratio 5. Means if this point and like in fractions, हम इसको क्या कहते थे? Numerator, and this is your denominator. Similarly, in this case, we have two. The first term, this term is called antecedents. Antecedent. Okay, this is your antecedent, and second is your consequent. This one is your consequent. Now let's learn कि ये होता क्या है, ये दोनों पार्ट्स का अलग अलग मीनिंग कैसे. ये ऑपरेट एकदम फ्रैक्शंस की तरह होते हैं, दैट वी विल लर्न लेटर. बट जैसे एक फ्रैक्शन के अंदर न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर होता है, the upper portion of the fraction is numerator and the lower portion of the fraction is denominator. So in this antecedent we write first, so it's like 2 ratio 5. 2 ratio 5. अब इस केस में क्या हो रहा है, जब ये टर्म 2 है तो ये कितनी है? 5 है. ये इन दोनों का रिलेशन है. There is a certain relation. Suppose it become 4. It become 4, then it will become how much? If it become 4, this antecedent become 4, then the consequent will be how much? It will become 10. यहाँ पे देखो ये double हुआ, so it will also get double. Okay. Now we have two different terms. This and ratio format or this form is called the standard form. Why it is called the standard form? क्योंकि अब antecedent और consequent में कोई भी common factor नहीं बचा. There is no common factor between antecedent and consequent. Okay, so that's why it is called standard form. Standard form. Standard form of ratio. Standard form of ratio. Okay. Second thing is, then what it called? इसको क्या कहेंगे then? If it is a standard form, then this form in which we have one or more common factors. Common factors का मतलब समझ रहे हो ना? कि अभी भी वो और सिंप्लीफाई हो सकता है, तो इस फॉर्म को हम क्या बोलते हैं? इक्विवेलेंट फॉर्म ऑफ रेशियो. This is your standard form and this is your equivalent form. I hope you have understood the difference between standard and equivalent form. Is there any doubt? Shall I move on? Okay. Now, let's relate this ratio with the fraction. This 2:5 is equals to 2/5. 2/5. Understood? How it is related to the fraction, but it is different. Fraction में क्या होता है? हम एक ही चीज को इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करने के बाद उसका कुछ पोर्शन रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. बट इन रेशियो देयर आर टू टर्म्स विच आर कोरिलेटेड इन अ सर्टेन फैशन. ओके ओके, लेट्स डू इट. कैसे करना है? सो दिस इज योर 9. इफ आई राइट दिस इन अ फ्रैक्शनल फॉर्म, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा मेरा? 96/144. In this case, if you read the table of 12, ये क्या होगा? 12. By which? What is the common factor between these two? 12 8 ja 96 and 12 12 ja. Again I have 4 2 ja and 4 3 ja. So what should be the standard form? What should be the standard form? 2/3. What should be the standard form? 2/3 is your fractional form, और इसको मैं रेशियो में कन्वर्ट करूंगा, then it will become 2:3. 2:3. Okay, so we have to simplify it. आपने 6/9 लिखा, it's okay, but 6/9 में again we have 3 as a common factor. 6/9 is incorrect form because incorrect standard form, because still I can simplify it to 2/3 है ना. 3 2 जा and 3 3 जा. 6/9 आप लोगों ने लिखा है. Let me show you how 6/9 means. अभी भी ये 3 2 जा जाएगा और ये 3 3 जा. So this is your standard form. Got it? Okay, try this one. The next one. Okay, let's see how to solve this one. Okay, first what we will do, we will first convert this mixed fraction number into a standard fraction. Okay, or improper fraction. Improper fraction में convert करेंगे because all mixed fraction are improper. So it will become how much? 6 plus 2 means 8/, it become 8/8/3. Ratio, it will become 7/7 how much? 4. 7/4. Now okay, चलो देखते हैं व्हाट टू डू इस नाउ दिस इज द फ्रैक्शनल फॉर्म। अब इसको अगर मैं इस रेशियो को फ्रैक्शन में लिखना चाहूं देन इट विल बिकम 8/3 डिवाइडेड बाय 7/4। ठीक है 7/4। अब ये दो मेरे पास अलग अलग टर्म्स हैं, अब इनको कैसे लिखना है देखो। दिस इज इक्वल्स टू 8/3 मल्टीप्लाई, ये क्या होगा आपका, दिस डिनोमिनेटर विल बिकम रेसिप्रोकल, है ना। ये कितना हो जाएगा मेरा 4/7, दैट वी हैव टू टेक केयर। 4/7, ठीक है, कितना हो जाएगा 4/7। नाउ is anything that we can reduce? No. So what I will write? I will write this is your 32 ratio 21, मतलब 32/21, which when I convert it into ratio it will become 32 ratio 21। ठीक है, और आप लोग 8/7 कैसे निकाल रहे हो, आई डोंट नो how you are calculating 8/7। There is one more way to calculate it, one more way to calculate it। वो कैसे? Simply take the LCM of 3 and 4, take the LCM of 3 and 4, take the LCM of 3 and 4, the denominators। ठीक है, इनका LCM लेंगे, what you will get, what is the LCM? 12। So LCM of 3 and 4 is 12, so what you will do, you will multiply this 12 with both the ratios, and what you will get, you will get, अब इस केस में देखो ये 3 4 जा और ये 4 3 जा, again the answer is, the standard form is how much? This is 32 ratio 21। got it? Is it clear now how I got 32 ratio 21? Chalo. Now let's do one more question depending upon this. Okay, try this one. There are three numbers which are in ratio. Now you have to write the standard form. You have to write the standard form. So try this, think about it. Okay. So देखो, when the case is of 3, ठीक है, यहाँ पे कितने numbers हैं मेरे पास? There are 3. Now they all are in a fraction. What I have to convert it into ratio. So इन तीनों का क्या करेंगे हम? We will take the LCM of 8, 10 and 4. Okay, first step is take the LCM of, first step is LCM of what? 8, 10 and 4. So what should be the LCM? Very good, 40. LCM of 8, 10 and 4 is 40. This is clear to all of you ना, क्योंकि 40 कैसे आया? It's a very simple thing. Now in a second step, अब क्या करना है मुझे? I have to multiply the each part with the LCM. अब देखो क्या हो गया, 1/8 multiply by 40 ratio, the next one is 1/10 multiply by 40 ratio 1/4 multiply with 40. Now can I calculate? It's become very simple. 1, this is 1 and this is 5, है ना, 8 1 जा 8 5 जा, and this is your 1 and this is your 4, this is 1 and this is 10, 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 Now the final answer is 5 ratio 4 ratio 10. So this is your final standard form. Understood? Is it clear? Good. अब गलती नहीं होगी. Okay. Let's try if I. Okay, in this question again you have 3 parts. So do it carefully. But 2 parts are in decimal and 1 is in whole number. So what you will do, you will first convert it into a fraction, then take the LCM, whatever you want to do, and simplify it to the standard form. Take the common factor. Common factor क्या आ रहा है? That is important. Okay, if you see, there are 3 numbers and all are factor of 9. Okay, if I convert this whole in the this is your 9 1 ja, this is your 9 7 ja 7. Let's write it first in a decimal form, a fraction form. This is your 27 by 10 ratio 63 by 10 रेशियो 9. ठीक है, अब देखो 9/1 लिख लेते हैं, कोई बात नहीं. If I convert this first into by taking the LCM of the denominator, the LCM of the denominator is 10, है ना? तो ये मेरा क्या हो जाएगा 27 by 10. So यहाँ पर मैंने क्या किया, इस बात को मैं यहाँ लिख देता हूँ, LCM of denominator, that is 10 10 and 1 which is equals to 10. ठीक है, so denominator is 10, तो इसको किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 10 से. रेशियो 63 by 10 63 by 10 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 10 रेशियो 9. अब इसका 1 है, इनटू किससे करेंगे मल्टीप्लाई विद द एलसीएम, तो ये मेरा कितना हो जाएगा. नाउ फाइनली व्हाट आई विल गेट, this 10 and 10 will cancel out, this 10 cancel out, and it will become 90. So what I will get 27 रेशियो 63 रेशियो 90. ये आ गया मेरे पास. Now I can simply convert it into a standard form because what I am looking कि ये इन तीनों numbers में मेरा क्या common है, क्या common है 9. So 9 10 जा रेशियो 9 7 जा रेशियो 9 3 जा. So what I will get finally, I will get 3 ratio 7 ratio 10. Understood? Is it clear? A student solved 6 out of 10 problems correctly. Good, very good. 6 out of 10 problem correctly. So what is the ratio of, what is the ratio of correct problems to incorrect? Correct problems to incorrect. ठीक है, अब जैसे हम लोग ये कहते थे ना कि इफ आई राइट 2/3, ठीक है, इसको क्या बोलते थे 2/3. ठीक है, 2/3 बोलते हैं. इन अ सेम मैनर दिस रेशियो जो 2 के बाद है, ठीक है, अगर मैं बोलूं ए रेशियो ऑफ, इफ आई राइट रेशियो ऑफ ए टू बी, तो क्या होगा, वो कैसे लिखेंगे उसको, रेशियो ऑफ ए टू बी. तो मेरा दिस ए इज योर एंटीसीडेंट, A is your antecedent and this is your consequence. ये बात ध्यान रखना. So इसको कैसे लिखूंगा मैं, A ratio B. Similarly in this question, what is asked? The ratio of correct problems to incorrect problems. तो ये मेरा क्या है? This is my antecedent and this is my consequence. So how I will write? अब इसमें देखो मुझे दिया हुआ है 6:10. So 6:10. This is a equivalent form. This is not a standard form. So what I will do? I will convert it into standard form. अब standard form में convert करने के लिए क्या करेंगे? Standard form में convert करने के लिए क्या करेंगे? What is the common factor between them? 2 है ना? 2 5s and 2 3s. So the answer should be 3:5. Okay, 3:5, not 3:2. It's 3:5. Understood? Okay, let's read this question. A petrol tank with a capacity of 100 liter has 25 liter of petrol in it. Now, in the first part, you have to write, find the ratio of the number of liter of petrol in the tank to the capacity of the tank. Okay. Now, in the second part, you have to write what part of the tank is full. What part of the tank is full? So think and answer. Let's see what should be the solution. In this case, a very clearly said, find the ratio of the number of liter of petrol in the tank. 2, इस 2 को ध्यान रखना है, ठीक है. Number of liter कितना है मेरा? There are 25 liters. There are 25 liter दिया हुआ ना, 25 liter. So 25 ratio. अब दूसरी बात क्या? Capacity of the tank. Capacity दिया हुआ है कितना? 100. So 25 ratio 100, which is equals to, ठीक है. What should be the standard form? Standard form के लिए क्या करेंगे? This is your 5 or 25 1 ja and 25 4 ja. So 1:4. 1:4 and 1:4. Now the next part is what part of the tank is full. Okay, if this is your tank, if suppose this is your complete tank, this is your complete tank. Okay, now if I divide this into 4 equal parts, this is your first part, second part, third part and fourth part. Okay, this is your 1/4, this is 1/4, this is 1/4 and this is 1/4. और बोला क्या है कि जो पेट्रोल है, पेट्रोल is in this part only, okay. So what part of the tank is full? 1/4. ठीक है, 1/4 of the tank is full. 1/4 of the tank is full. So what I will write? 1/4 part. ठीक है, कितने पार्ट थे यहाँ पे? और अगर 4 पार्ट्स हैं तो दिस इज द टोटल पार्ट. ये क्या है मेरे? टोटल पार्ट्स है. और ये क्या है मेरा? द पार्ट विच इज फुल. सो 1 out of 4 part is full. ये क्या है मेरा? Full. So I can say 1 out of 4 parts is full. Understood? बात क्लियर हो गई ये वाली? Let me see your response. We have started this chapter today, so I request you all to go through this exercise once more, and so that we will do the same tomorrow, so that you can do better. So thanks for your presence, thanks for your participation. Have a nice day. Thank you.